Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn English grammar and here we will see module 7. Now in this module we will see dictation, then vocabulary. In this vocabulary we will see opposites. Then third section is grammar, and in the grammar we will see doing words or action words, means these are verbs. Okay, then last is writing. Last section is writing, and in this writing section we will see join the dots and answer the questions. This is writing section. Okay, so we will see here word dictation. Now exercise number 1, word dictation. So when I say this word or speak this word, that time you should write in your grammar book. So first word is UMBRELLA, umbrella. Okay, umbrella, it's word dictation, but because of this online session I have written these words. Okay, so then second is NURSE, nurse. NURSE, nurse. Third one is SLICE, slice. SLICE, slice. Fourth is honey. HONEY, honey. HONEY, honey. Fifth is bread. BREAD, bread. BREAD, bread. Sixth is doll. DOLL, doll. DOLL, doll. 7 number PIE, pie. PIE, pie. Okay, and then last 8 number myself. MYSELF. MYSELF, myself. So you should write these words in your grammar book. Okay, now next here vocabulary section, and in this section we will see opposites. What is opposites? An opposite is a word that is completely different in meaning from another word. Okay, opposite means it has a different meaning from another word. Now here are exercise. Look here, it's exercise number 2.1. Match the words in column match the words in column A with their opposites in column B. Now we can see here column A and then column B. Now here are some words which are opposite from other words, means column A is different from the column B. Now first is tall. It's already done. Tall means it has a height, and opposite, the different meaning is short. SHORT, short. Okay, now look here, OLD, old. Then what is the opposite word of old? Young. Very good. Look here, old, young. Young means jawan or old means budhe. Okay, then third is clean. CLEAN, clean. EAN, clean. Then clean means saf sutra, and opposite of clean is different meaning, it's a dirty. Clean, dirty, these are opposites. Now here fourth is HARD, hard. HARD, hard. Okay, is kadak, and after this hard is kadak, and the opposite of this hard is soft. Okay, so join here with soft. Then fifth number HAPPY, happy. We know the meaning of happy. Happy means खुश. Then the opposite of happy is sad. Look here, we can see sad. Okay. Then last word, dark. DARK, dark. उसका अपोजिट क्या हो सकता है? लाइट. LIGHT, लाइट मीन्स फीका, है ना. अभी देखो और एक्टिविटी आपको दी गई है. नाउ ड्रॉ एनी 3 पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट्स टू शो द डिफरेंस in the meanings of the words. Now here you can see 3 pairs. First is of happy and sad. Second is big and small. And third one is tall, short. Here we can see 3 pairs which I draw. But you can draw your choice as you like. Okay. Now next, here is also exercise number 2.2. What is it? Look at the pictures and match the pairs of opposites in column A and column B. Now here are pictures. What is here? Pictures. So we will match them in the opposite meaning. Okay. So first is open. And the opposite of open is close. So where it is? Here. D. Okay. So open, close. Open का opposite है close. Now full. It's a full of grapes or cherries. This basket is full of cherries. Now what is the opposite of full? Empty. What is here? Empty. Okay. Then third one is cold. Cold means ठंडा. Then ठंडा के opposite क्या हो सकता है? गरम. गरम means hot. Then where is hot? Here. Okay. F. So hot and cold. Cold and hot. Now we can see here stand. Stand, it's opposite of seat. Okay. Stand up and sit down. It's a opposite word. Stand, sit. Then we can see here ice cream, which is a sweet. Okay. And opposite of this sweet is sour. Okay. Then last we can see awake. Then opposite of awake, asleep. So join this awake with asleep. Okay. Opposite means the word which has a different meaning from other word. Means किसी दूसरे शब्द से अलग अर्थ का शब्द, वो अपोजिट होता है. अभी देखो डूइंग वर्ड्स. नाउ वी विल सी द ग्रामर सेक्शन. डूइंग वर्ड्स और एक्शन वर्ड्स. Words that show any action done by a person, animal or thing is called doing word. Or an action words, which action we do, these are action words. Okay. Here are a few examples of doing words or action words. So look here. We can see here 2 boys which are play football. What they play? They play football. Okay. Now in this sentence, play is action. Their action is play. Now look here. We can see dog, which is bark. Now bark. Bark means भौंकना. और ये भी क्या है? एक action. This is action. So bark is action word. Play also action word. Bark also action word. Then we can see here Two persons run. What the action here? Of run. So run is action word. Okay. Now look here. Color the stars that have doing words or action words in them. One is done for you. Now we can see here one is done, and we will dark the stars which have action words or doing words. Okay. Now look here, in the second star the word is skip. Is the skip action word? Yes, skip is a action word. Okay. So dark this star. You should dark it completely. Okay. And then third is frog. Frog is not an action word, it's a naming word. So don't dark it. Then eat. E-A-T, eat. We can eat. It is an action word. So dark this star. Okay. I can't do it properly, but you can do it. Okay. So you dark this star of skip, means second number and fourth number. And then the fifth is box. Is the box action word? No. It's a naming word. So leave it. And then number 6. The word is sing. S-I-N-G, sing. And it's an action. So dark this star also. Means we should dark the stars of number 2, number 4 and number 6, because these are action words. Okay. I hope you know the action words. Which are the action words? Which action done by the person, or animal or a thing. These are action words. Just like stand up, sit down, then run, jump, touch, bend. These are action words. Then writing, listening, reading. These are actions. So these are action words. Okay. So look here next. Here exercise. Underline the action words in the sentences below. Now we can see here sentences. What are they? Meena walks to school. Now which action is here? Of walking. So walks underlined. Okay. Now second is the child plays with his toy. Why? We underline the plays because play is action. So underline plays. Okay. Next. Third. I drink milk every day. Now in this sentence says which action is here? Of drink. So underline the drink word. Then fourth, my mother listens to music. What? My mother listens to music. Now which action is here? We can see the picture. Which action? Of listening. So underline the listen word. Now fifth, we run to the park. We run to the park. Which action is here? Of running. So run is an action word. So underline it. Then number 6. Ricky smiles at Mickey. Now here is a funny action. What is it? Smiles. Okay. So smile is an action word. So underline it. Okay. Now look here. Today we have learnt about action words with some exercises. And then your homework is fill this module 7 in your grammar book and solve question answer after joining the picture. That is page number 21. Okay. I will also send this question answer, but you try it. I hope you try better. Okay, thank you. Bye.